In a world where vibrant colors often steal the spotlight, it's easy to overlook the unassuming hues that pack a powerful punch. But when it comes to your health, black is the new black. Prepare to be amazed as we showcase 10 black-colored foods that not only tantalize your taste buds, but also deliver a treasure trove of health benefits. Get ready to explore a world of culinary adventures and uncover the secrets to a healthier, happier you. Let's get started. Number 1. Black quinoa. Black quinoa is a nutrient-rich grain that stands out for its unique flavor and impressive health benefits. With a slightly sweeter taste compared to white quinoa, black quinoa is naturally gluten-free and a great source of plant-based protein. It contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein that supports muscle repair and growth. Number 2. Black tea. Black tea is enjoyed worldwide as a refreshing, low-calorie drink that offers more than just a pleasant taste. It's rich in polyphenols, which are powerful antioxidants known for their ability to combat free radicals in the body. Next is black beans. Black beans are a nutrient-rich legume renowned for their impressive health benefits. They are packed with essential minerals like iron, phosphorus, calcium, magnesium, manganese, copper, and zinc, all of which are crucial for building and maintaining strong, healthy bones. Number 4. Black pepper. Black pepper is more than just a common spice. It's packed with piperine, a powerful antioxidant known for its ability to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Piperine also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce swelling and improve overall health. Number 5. Black garlic. Black garlic is made by fermenting garlic under high heat and humidity. This makes it taste sweeter and have more antioxidants than regular garlic. These antioxidants help protect your body from damage. Next is nori seaweed. Nori seaweed is a dark black edible sea vegetable that has long been a staple in many Asian cuisines, offering a wealth of health benefits that make it a true nutritional superstar. This versatile ingredient is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in the body, as well as being high in fiber, which can aid digestion, promote feelings of fullness, and help regulate blood sugar levels. Number 7. Black rice. Black rice is a true nutritional superstar, offering a wealth of health benefits that make it a standout among grains. Compared to other types of rice, black rice is high in protein, an essential nutrient for building and maintaining muscle mass. Number 8. Black grapes. Black grapes are a nutritional powerhouse, offering exceptional health benefits. Some black grape varieties contain more antioxidants than green or red grapes, thanks to their high concentrations of resveratrol, a potent antioxidant found in the skins. Number 9. Black sesame seeds. Black sesame seeds are a nutritional superstar, offering impressive health benefits. They are an excellent source of essential macro minerals like calcium and magnesium, which are crucial for maintaining a healthy heart and have been linked to improved cardiovascular function and reduced risk of heart disease. And lastly, black mushrooms. Black mushrooms, also known as shiitake mushrooms, are a versatile ingredient that offer impressive health benefits. They are an excellent source of essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth, and are rich in copper, an essential mineral the body cannot synthesize. One standout feature of black mushrooms is their antioxidant content. They are packed with antioxidants that combat oxidative stress, which can cause inflammation and contribute to various diseases. These include polyphenols linked to potential health benefits. Black mushrooms also contain lentinin, a unique polysaccharide that stimulates the immune system and enhances immune cell activity, making them valuable for supporting overall immune health. Incorporating these 10 black-colored superfoods into your diet is a delicious and nutritious way to support your overall health and well-being. From antioxidant-rich black quinoa to gut-friendly black garlic, These versatile ingredients offer a treasure trove of benefits that can help reduce your risk of chronic diseases, boost your immune function, and promote a healthier, happier you. Comment below and let us know which of these black-colored superfoods you're most excited to try. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more nutritional insights that can help you live your best life.